If 4 raised to the power of x is equal to x raised to the power of 2x squared minus 2, what is the value of x? Can you pause this video and try to solve this question? Okay, let's solve it together. Four raised to the power of x is equal to x raised to the power of 2x squared minus 2x. What are we going to do? This 4 can be changed to an index form. 4 is the same as 2 raised to the power of 2. Then x raised to the power of 2x squared minus 2x. So we have 2 raised to the power of 2x to be equal to, we are going to factorize the powers on the right hand side. Looking at this, 2x is a common factor. So 2x squared divided by 2x, we have x minus 2x divided by 2x, we have 1. So 2 raised to the power of 2x is equal to, now remember this law, you know multiplication is commutative. That is, the arrangement does not affect the answer in multiplication. So a raised to the power of n m is the same as a raised to the power of m n. So I'm going to rearrange my right hand side. So I have x raised to the power of x minus 1, then 2x. Now we notice something here. We notice something here. We notice something. 2x is common to both sides, so they can cancel out. 2 is now equal to x raised to the power of x minus 1. 2 is now equal to 2 to x raised to the power of x minus 1. Now, I'm going to change this. 2 is the same as 2 raised to the power of 1. And that gives us x raised to the power of x minus 1. X minus 1. Now, our focus here is to make both sides of the equation to look alike. Our focus is to make both sides of the equation to look alike. Is to make both sides of the equation to look alike. Now, what do we do to 2 raised to the power of 1 so that it looks like x raised to the power of x minus 1? And the value of 2 raised to the power of 1, the value does not change. The value still remains 2. 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 1 is the same as 2 raised to the power of 1. and that is equal to x raised to the power of x minus 1. You see, the power, the left-hand side does not change. The value is still 2. Therefore, we can conclude that x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2.